how to change location in Proton VPN. In this video, I'll show you how to change location in Proton VPN. So to get started, go ahead and open Proton VPN application into your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your Proton VPN account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create an account on Proton VPN on your browser. And then once you have the app signed in into your account, once you're signed in, go ahead and click on connect. So Proton VPN will select the location where it will connect if you have a free account on Proton VPN. But if you upgrade into a premium account on Proton VPN, you can simply select that specific country where you want to connect. So you'll find the countries where you can connect at the left side of your screen, and these countries are sectioned into fastest and slowest country. So at the very top, you'll find Afghanistan. So as you can see, you need to upgrade to Discover VPN Plus to be able to change the specific location of your VPN. So you can also click on this change server button, and then Proton VPN will look for another server from a different location. So technically, if you have a free account, Proton VPN will select the location for you, and you won't be able to change it yourself. And that is how you can basically change location in Proton VPN. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.